Hey everyone, happy Monday. It's Miss Allison here. I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend and we are ready to rock on our first unit in English class. So we're going to be starting our first formal unit today, which is the short story and fiction unit. And I want to walk you through the directions for your assignment for Monday to make sure you really understand what is needed of you during your asynchronous work so we can have a strong start to our unit together. All right, so let's take a look. So you should be looking at this document, hopefully, because that's how you found this video, right? All right, so your learning target is, I can explore the purpose of fiction by answering the question, why do we read? And down here, guys, you'll see that your assignment is broken up into 3 phases. So we have the explore phase, the analyze phase, phase 2, and then phase 3, the application phase. Within each one of those, there are multiple steps you're going to be taking. This is all to be done on Monday during your asynchronous time. You have 75 minutes to complete this, so you should have plenty of time to get that done. So let's take a look. First thing is you're going to be watching a video by author John Green about why you read. And then your task is listed over here. So kind of what our purpose is or what you're doing, and then your task with that thing. So here it says, as you watch Green's video, capture notes using the note catcher below. And you can see here there are some specific directions in that note catcher for that video. And then you have some questions down here. Now as you watch that video, it's like this one. You can pause it, you can go back, you can take a couple minutes to collect your thoughts. But the goal is to have your note catcher filled out first with that video and really explore the idea of why we read. Okay, so that's phase 1. Once that's complete, you're going to phase 2, which is analyze. So we're going to apply what we have learned or heard from John Green's video in a short story. So you're going to be reading a short story called The Fun They Had. When you click on this, a copy will pop up for you. And as you are reading, you are going to make bullet points right here of the main events of the story. So things that you see that are moving the action along. Okay? Fantastic. So that's phase 2, analyze. And then phase 3 is the application phase. And so what you're going to be doing is, now that we have kind of learned about a little bit why we read, we've taken a deeper look, let's apply our learning. All right, if my Google Doc will cooperate here, my goodness. Okay, here we go. So in this, you have 2 different tasks. So the next one is to apply your thinking by using Padlet. So you'll click here and a link will pop up for a Padlet. Perhaps, it's not cooperating right now, but when you click on it, it'll take you to a separate website called Padlet. Here is a video tutorial if you've never used Padlet before, and there's a prompt there, and you're going to respond to 5 of your classmates. So there's a lot of things you can be doing on this Padlet. It's very interactive with your classmates. And then finally, on Schoology, there's a very quick Pixar short that you are going to watch. And you're going to be practicing the elements of plot. That is what our focus tomorrow will be on Tuesday. So you're going to Schoology, and it should pop right up. It's called an Ed Puzzle. So it's a Pixar short that will stop and ask you questions along the way. I believe it's like 4 or 5 minutes, pretty quick, and pretty enjoyable. I think you'll like this one. So make sure you're going to Schoology to complete that one. All right, ladies and gents, so this feels like a lot, I know, but I promise if you put your mind to it and work for the full 75 minutes, it will be no big deal. I also want to remind you of office hours from 3:30 to 4. Every day except Wednesday, so Monday you can definitely make that happen. Meet with your teacher if you need to and see what questions might come up. All right, guys, good luck. Please email your teacher if you have any questions and have a fabulous Monday.